Yeah, hi, good evening. So, just once we'll see what topics are pending. So, accordingly, we will define that timeline as well. So, just let me open the course content. So, here is the course content here now. If we observe now what topics are pending, we will come from the starting. So, here this first section has completed. Like we discussed already, the Android features as well as the versions and all, right? So this one is completed. Then next step, so Android architecture. So this is also we completed. Setup were completed. First program completed. XML completed. So basic layouts completed. This is also completed. This section also completed. So in this now, like content provider and broadcast receiver, two topics are pending here. So content provider, broadcast receiver, two things. And this section completed. Right, IMEI. So IMEI is pending. Email this file already we did, like explicit implicit intent. You so using implicit intent we can do that, right? So that one we completed. So next one is the Wi-Fi manager. So this is also completed. Bluetooth is pending. So 3-4 topics are pending. Like better I'll note somewhere so that we can easily do that. So broadcast receiver, content provider, next IMEI, so Bluetooth, dialogues completed, active lifecycle, services completed. This already we seen that. So web services, this part has completed. Retrofit completed. Volley completed. Data binding, fragments also completed. SQLite room database completed. Firebase also completed. Google Maps completed. Animations also completed. There we already created, right? So animations also completed. Admob. So Admob, Playstore. So Playstore. So MVC, MVM, these two also completed. So this Jetpack Compose, runtime completed, Postman completed, Git. So then next, these all are like these all are the part of that we already completed. So this I will show you this. So these all are the topics which are pending here now. So today in this now we will concentrate this to Admob and the Play Store. Remaining we will complete one by one. So first of all, like Play Store. So we will see Play Store. Just a minute. Yeah. So Play Store. So Play Store related, like a lot of things means Play Store. Normally, if you want to download, we will download from the Play Store, right? So directly we'll come back to this Play Store. and from the Play Store we can download the apps. So this will be either we can open like mobile, we can open similar here I open, right? But as a developer, if I have developed one application, I have to upload that application into a Play Store. So where we can go, so for that now here the concept called Play Store console. So we have to open the Play Store console. So this Play Store console, we have to register this with one of the Gmail ID. So like I have Gmail ID, I can create with my Gmail ID. So once we create that with one of the mail ID, so there we have to do like submit the details. So basic details like it will ask your name, your address proof, like you have to submit your PAN card, Aadhaar card, so such kind of documents you have to submit. Then the Google team will validate your account. Then if they will approve the account, thus it's a personal account. In case if it is the company address, so in case if it is a you are creating on the name of company, so company required one DUNS number. So every company does have the DUNS number along with the registration. Even if you company does not have, so they have to update and they have to get that, means they have to apply the DUNS number and they have to get the DUNS number, so that we will create a company account. So personal account we have to the normal document. In case if it is the company, we have to submit that as well as the place to like accounts that we have to submit here, right? Then also for the first time when you are doing, you have to pay $25. That is for lifetime. So once you pay, that is for lifetime, you have to pay. See, I already created one account, so I'm logging with that account. So in this account, so around like, so this is the just recently I have uploaded this application. I'll show you the process. In case if you have to upload as a new app, so first of all, here you have to create one new application here. That you have to click here. Means once you have to create here new application, from here you have to create a new application. So in case if you already existing, you are already doing something on a related this, means normally if I can create new application, I cannot delete. So that's the reason I'm not going here from here. Now I'm going to this open the application. So from here now we can able to see like what how to upload the app, right? First that is done. From here now test and release. So here now when you are uploading the app, so there are multiple stages you can like, if the company wants to follow this multiple stages, you have to follow. That is the internal app sharing, free launch, internal testing, closure testing, open testing. Like this means till this we are restricting the users, means we have given a specified users. Only with that mail ID, only they can install the app and they can test the application. So like that it will be here. Open testing means anyone can do. After that, that is the finally it will comes to the production. So in the production now, if now my app is already here, now I have to do some next app. So from here now, click on new release. So once you click on new release, here upload provision will come. From that provision, you can upload that. So here in the releases, here you can see which version is available here in this. Then which countries. So your app belongs to which country? Just I targeted India. So just I put India. If you want other countries, by clicking here, you can add other countries as well. This is the first step. Right. Once we did this, then here in a grow users. So there is a store preference, store listing. So store preference, store listing. In this now, here we have to give the all the information which belongs to the app. Like means here first app name, short description, long description means related to app, short description, and then app name should be maximum of 30 and short description is maximum of 80. long description, maximum 4,000, up to 4,000 you can give. So here we have to upload the logo. But while you are uploading the logo here, now there are certain scenarios will be there. So you must follow this pattern, like 512 by 512, you have to enter here this. Then this is the graphic image, like it will come display as a background, normal not one image. So screenshots of your application, at least you have to upload 2. So then up to maximum you can upload 8. Then if you have any video URL that you can add here, that is optional. So then you can save this information here, first step. So then after that, here it will come here, store settings. Here you have to select what is your app and what are the tags belongs to your, so support email ID and website. So in this now, here we cannot see in other things here, like while first time you are doing, so that lot of things will come in this, like it will ask that your app is required any special permission, like means we see in last class that runtime permissions, right? So have you enable any runtime permissions? In case if you enable any runtime permissions, so why that runtime permission is needed, that you have to add, and what are the data you are collecting from the user? Like let us say there are registration, so name, email ID, mobile number, like that we are collecting the data, right? So what data you are collecting, so that also you have to here write why you are collecting, that is app functionality, or you want to do some analytics on that, or you want to do that, all the things you have to mention here on that. Also like another one survey it will give, so on that, like it will ask few questions you have to answer, like your app belongs to any digital products, or your app belongs to this, your app belongs to that, like that it will ask few questions, so you have to answer such questions. So then you have to save, based on that some rating will applicable automatically from the Play Store site. Then other, like it will ask that is there this app as any age restricted, are you dealing with the financial transactions, means if this app belongs to news app, or this is the government app, are you promoting any healthcare related trips, like it will ask few questions. After that, is there any age restricted app, means like who are eligible for your app, like more than 18 or anyone, like it will ask that question. And after that, is there any like adult content is there, so that is that it will ask that adult content, it will ask the adult content. Then on top of the adult content, like is there any uh, means nudity, like such kind of any alerts will be there, so it will ask all you have, means whatever the questions, whatever the answers you are giving, that you have to give as a proper, so then only you will get an proper alert, you will get an proper information, means what, like also for every application you have to create one proper privacy policy URL. So that privacy policy URL will help us to see like what privacy policy URL, see whatever the information is available here, it will show one privacy policy URL, that app, that URL should show proper information belongs to this particular app. So that will be available here, it will show here. So here that is available here, website and privacy policy. See, this is the privacy policy. So whatever the privacy policy created, so that privacy policy should satisfy all the conditions what you are using in your application, that you have to create one HTML page, so that you have to give here this, so then it will be acceptable, then only it will be acceptable, otherwise it cannot be acceptable like this. So it is giving like this. So this is the way you have to upload the apps. Like in case while uploading app, so some like what happens here, so sometimes it will take, like it will come online quickly in 1 hour, sometimes it will take 3 days, sometimes it will take 4 days, sometimes 1 week also it will take, sometimes in between like it will reject. See some other app we updated, that also I'll show you. See some other app, this is the other app we updated here for the Play Store. Now the app got rejected here, so app got rejected. So when it is rejected here, now we have to go here and you have to see why it is rejected here. So there are like here it is asking like I've got rejected because of that photo and video permissions, so it is not a directed feature. So all file access is permission, like this is asking like for this. Now what you have to do, like maybe in a manifest file, like in manifest file whatever the permissions we are giving, right? So that permission related it is asking, so that you have to update and you have to resubmit, so it will come on online. So that is first. Then for example one version app already updated. So if you want to update the second version, so you have to update, there is the version code you have to update, then only it will be applicable here. Now I'll show you that in build.gradle here. So once I build the APK, like already last time we seen, but just uh, showing again here, this version code and these two things you have to update and you have to resubmit the code into your Play Store. So then only it will be come online, right? Then here we can able to see how many users install your application. So that kind of stats we can see total 10 users. So here we can able to see statistics. So users count, it is increasing, right? Analytics, so on which countries, which like which place other users are using and what date they are using your application. Also in case if your app has a crash, so that also will get here now. Wait, app integrity, modern improve. Here you can see overview. Here we can able to see what users, how the app has installed, if any crashes will be there. So like those are the kind of means versions, if you release the multiple versions, right? In which version and which Android your app has installed. See Android 15, Android 15, like this we can see here detail 14 and 15. So those all the information here we can able to see in a Play Store. But as a fresher, these all are the knowledge required to me, means it's not required completely, but just you have idea while you are doing, you will get automatically all the things, right? So this is about the Play Store. Right now, if you want to create an ads, so if you want to create an ads, so that already we seen the last time, so that is in Firebase. Normal Firebase, normal you have to add the code also here, like see here now. Simple way I'll show you here. So I'll ask here chat GPT only. It's in a, it's in Android app. Simple. This is a simple code we will get here now. It's in Android only. So like Admob account already we seen like last time. So we have to go in Admob account, and there we have to create an ad. So that again I'll show you here. So we have to go in a Admob account. So within this Admob account, you have to register with your proper details. So it will be registration is mandatory. After that, you have to create their app. So that you have to create that app. So previously, like it was like even with zero users. See last time, just now I shown that app, right? So that I added here. Now previously it was like even with 0 users also, here it is enabling the ads, but now we have to, so at least you have to reach 100 users, then only that will come here this. So that is there here. Because of that, now ads are not displaying, any things are not coming here this right here. So simple code that will be here now. What happened? It is not responding here. So in ads, there are simple like ads in Android. So here only we will get the codes here, banner ad. So simple, this is the banner ad. So you have to create this. So this is the frame you have to put in your code. So you have to put this code and so that's all. Just you can put that code so that automatically the ads will come there. And if you in case if you have an industrial full ad, this is only direct code. So directly we can put that in a XML. So this is the code. Copy this code and you have to paste on your this like in a Kotlin file. So that's all, like easily it can be done. So that is the way you have to create an ads. This topic already we discussed, but just I'm refreshing this so that it will come like this is the simple way of this. We have to enable the ads, right? So these two is completed. Now like so total we have 7 topics like GitHub. So we'll see GitHub also. Now GitHub. So like for example, now in a real time, like I'm working along with me, you are also working. So we both are working in a same project, right? We both are working in a same project. Like how I need to upload my code, like how I need to merge your code and my code. So when I'm doing like that now, so first of all, like GitHub, GitLab, so there are certain repositories. This we called as code repositories. So the code repositories are available. So you can take any one of the repository. Like means you cannot take. Normally the company will suggest either GitHub or GitLab, but all are the same process. Now from here now, see just clicking this. So just a minute, this verify means I'm logging into this. Now the verification code went to my mail ID. I'll open that. So GitHub, yeah. So here I got. So so this is the one. So it's verifying, right? Now this is here. Now these all are the my projects here. So my projects here. These all are my projects here, right? Now I want to upload this particular project, this runtime permission project into here. Now for that simple way here now in here tools. So sorry, in VCS share, create git repository, share project on GitHub. So share project on GitHub. Now just click on that share project on GitHub. So the project name I have given. So this is the first version, right? First. So your account, you have to add account to this. So here now account is not added. So login via GitHub. Now I'm logging into GitHub here. So I'm checking with this GitHub account to this. See, have been successfully. You can close page. Now can come here. See, this is the account created here. Now share the code. So with this name already the project is created. Now just I'm putting something. So here we can make that public and private. So now I'm making as a public. See what happened here. Uh, GitHub. Xcode, select no developer were found, requesting all to develop locate. We not added any Xcode. Let's try again. So, but something we got an issue. But here normally once we click on this, right, automatically the code will be open there. Like for example, now this is the another GitHub. So there are some. So this is the code I want to get here. Now, if I want to get this code here, so open code in a GitHub. So here copy this. So copy this URL. So HTTPS URL. Copy this URL. Come to here now. Project means I'm opening the project from the Git. So new, so new from new project. So from version control, click on version control. Like here you can paste that code. So now Git, this is from the Git, right? So here the my system got some, because I normally use in office purpose and a GitLab, so that's the reason it is showing an error. But once you click here now, automatically that code will be downloaded into your account. So that is the normal process. It will happen. That is the Git related here, right? So that is about the GitHub. So the next other 4, 5 topics, 6 topics are pending. So that we will see in next class.